In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display leading zeros in Excel. Have you ever tried entering numbers like 00123 in Excel, only to find that the leading zeros have disappeared? This is because Excel automatically interprets numbers as whole numbers, which don't usually show those zeros. Fortunately, there's a simple workaround that will allow you to retain those leading zeros effortlessly. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open Excel. You can do this by simply clicking on the Excel icon if it's on your desktop, or searching for it in your applications. If Excel is already open, feel free to use any existing workbook, or you can create a new one by going to File and selecting New. Once you have Excel up and running, it's time to select the cells or column where you want to enter the numbers with the leading zeros. This is an important step, as Excel will need to know where these specific preferences should apply. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the desired cells, or, if it's an entire column, by simply clicking on the column letter at the top of the workbook. This selection sets the stage for you to customize the cell format. Next, with your cells selected, right-click on them. A menu should appear. From this menu, you'll want to choose Format Cells. This option allows you to change how Excel handles and displays the content in those cells. In the dialog box that appears, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Number tab. Then, from the list of categories on the left-hand side, select Text. By changing the format of the cells to text, you're telling Excel to treat anything entered in those cells as text, not numbers. This is crucial because text formats will display the entry exactly as you type it, including any leading zeros. Once you've selected text from the category list, go ahead and click OK. This action finalizes your cell format change, and now you're all set to enter numbers with leading zeros. To test it out, try typing a number with leading zeros, like 00123, into one of the formatted cells. You should see that Excel now displays the number exactly as you've entered it, preserving those crucial leading zeros. That's all it takes. It's a simple adjustment that can make a big difference in how your data is presented, ensuring clarity and precision in your spreadsheets. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. We'll see you next time for more Excel tips and tricks.